18. Kaya size ang ano yan.
For example, I want to sell that balut to ate. So, ate, she will sell to me 12 pesos. And then if I sell it to other people, I will make it 18 pesos. So I have a 6 pesos profit for one egg. It's not that.
Well, who's going to pay you 18 when they can come to Ate and get it for 12?
No, for example, if you sell it in a plaza,
What they'll pay 18 in Plaza.
so I have a profit 6 pesos.
Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad. Right. So the next time you see us, guys, I'll be trying to pick which is not the balut.
3 hours.
It depends. Yeah.
It's because you're cooking so
Yeah,
many.
it's a lot, yeah.
I'm just saying to Ate, how long do you cook?
3 hours.
Now, normally in the West, if you cook a hard-boiled egg, it's about 6 minutes, isn't it? But they also say, if the egg floats in the water, don't touch it. Does that apply here? I don't know.
Madali nang maalang siya. You eat the sisiu.
No.
Delicious. So delicious. You try.
No, don't make me eat it.
You try to eat that.
If you did not eat that,
It's a delicious.
Outside ko lang po.
So these eggs no good then?
It's not yet cooked. Ano yan? Tinuto na yan, diba? Dahil ini yan sa labas. Ano to naman yan?
Oh dear, gets you in your eyes a bit. So, is this the balut? And that's the ordinary eggs?
Arin puti ang Pinoy. Kung sa badli ko rin.
I don't want.
Oh, look, the balut.
The balut like this.
Oh, I don't want.
Oo. Delicious.
No, I don't want.
She's such a baby.
Oh, it's all right for you. You eat it then.
Yeah, I eat that.
Have they already been cooked then? Obviously.
Ate said in Plaza, there's a lot of foreigner eating balut because she's selling balut in Plaza.
Because they're with the Pinay and the Pinay wants them to try it.
No,
Yeah,
it's only foreigner.
yeah. Well, I know a foreigner that was sick eating balut.
Gonna eat here.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to do the challenge. Oh my god.
Delicious.
Are they hot?
Minute pati. Give natin 100. You're not Kuripon, right? Give na 100. 66. Yun ante.
No,
Keep the
100. It's okay. I tell you, I'm only joking. Joke lang. Oh.
You want to put salt? Salt?
Can I just eat the salt?
No. Iodized. It's iodized salt.
Yeah, it's all right.
Vinegar. You want?
No, thank you.
Vinegar.
How do I know I need salt and vinegar when I've never tasted it before?
You pick pa?
Right. So, if I don't pick the balut, I don't have to eat the balut.
No. No, it's a balut.
That's balut.
Yeah. You said you want Pinoy. This one is a Pinoy.
Oh, so I don't have to eat the balut. Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
this one is Pinoy.
You try to eat balut.
Abo niya, gusto niya po Pinoy.
It's a bit hot, babe. Bit hot at the minute. Can we just give it a minute to cool off? Yeah.
Pag nakakan kang balut, panangito mo siya. Basta itong ano lang.
You see,
itong pula lang.
Try.
Basta itong pula lang.
you
You can try the
You
yellow.
can try.
Just only the yellow. If you don't want the
Yellow.
embryo, you can eat
To
the
eat
yellow.
yellow.
There's a yellow.
well, there's no point in eating half a balut. That's not the challenge. You said the challenge was if I didn't pick the balut, I didn't have to eat the balut. Then I picked the balut, and you say I don't have to eat the balut. So what is it?
You can eat the Pinoy na I will not force you to eat balut. Alright.
Pinoy, it's only boiled egg.
It's only boiled. Is it hen's egg or duck's egg? Chicken or duck?
Duck egg. Duck.
It's tasty, the duck.
Yeah, because I like that better.
You
Yeah.
can eat the balut.
Well,
Ay, the Pinoy.
no, everybody knows what an egg is, so let's try the balut. That's the balut. You,
Pinoy.
that's the balut.
You eat balut.
You see, she was tricking me. See, I get this all the time.
Shut up. Just eat na da.
How do you do it?
Just crack it to head of kid. Just slow lang. You need to crack a little bit.
Baliktad.
Wrong. That's one.
This one.
A little bit lang. Don't crack a lot. Yeah.
Yun. Mainit na ni.
You can do that. You're a big boy. There's a soup.
The soap?
Yeah, soup. Soup.
I
That's
don't want to
soup.
wash.
Soup. Oh. Is it nice? It's a soup. How is it? How does the kids, they laughing at you? How is it?
Mainit.
It's hot. Careful. Let's show to the...
Kaya mainitin man dyan.
I don't want to look at it. Oh God,
Such a baby. You gotta try.
very hot.
If you eat balut, you're gonna be a citizen.
Sobrang mainit.
You will be a citizen if you eat balut.
No foreigner will ever be a citizen in the Philippines.
Just joking.
Unfortunately.
Let's show the egg. Look, oh, there's a people watching up you to eat balut.
Ah, it's very hot. Here, you eat. Oh my God.
It's enough na, don't.
No, I don't want to. Oh my God.
Don't look.
It's wobbling.
That's enough. You can eat. Let's show first. So to make it sure that you eat the. Let's see, guys. There's an embryo there. Let's count one. Go na.
I'm shaking. I don't want to eat it.
You can try.
You eat it.
Here we go.
Yummy.
Oh, yummy.
Success.
Yummy.
Delicious.
Don't eat. I don't eat. Don't look.
Don't look.
Wait. Don't look.
You, ano yan?
Let's show.
I'm only eating this for the aphrodisiac. I can't get it out. I can't get the rest of it.
I will peel.
It's very hard.
Delicious.
How is it? Just like a chicken, right?
Is it
I wouldn't say
How
it's
is
like
it?
chicken. It's just like. Oh my God. Ugh.
Here we go. Yay! Is it nice?
Yes. It's masarap.
Finally. You try balut.
You try balut.
That's it na. You already eat the embryo.
No more.
Yung ano
It's
yan.
it's hard.
It's hard.
Hard to eat by.
Pero masiram yan.
That's it then. Have you got a? Where do I throw?
Just put there the I know. Success, guy. Already Chris already tried the balut challenge. Success! Yay! Oh, wash! Don't. Good.
Oh my God. you, Ate.
Thank you.
Success. How is it?
I don't know if I'll be able to keep it down, but I think
The balut.
if you don't look at it,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? Don't
then
look
you
back.
can eat it. But if you look at it, you probably
Try
won't.
and try ka, ano yan, eat balut. Then, you eat the balut in seeing the balut.
You know I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
You look the balut. Ano yan?
Yeah. What
When you
she
eat,
said.
don't look.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think I'll eat the normal from now
What's
on.
the experience?
It's
Eating balut.
it's pretty disgusting actually.
You don't like the taste?
I'd eat another one now. I've had it because it's not
Oh.
bad. It's not. No, you can have that. No, I'll just have the normal egg.
Okay, then.
It's all right. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. If you don't look at it, if I'd have looked at it, I wouldn't have had it. So that's it, guys. That's the challenge, and I stood up to my end.
It's success.
Yeah, it's what?
Success.
Say it again.
Success. You already ate balut.
Say it again.
Success.
Oh, yeah, I heard you first time. Balut. So that's it then, guys.
So please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Yay! Success eating balut.
See ya. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Say bye.
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 Please subscribe to the Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live this out. We got this far, don't know how.